Well, as you can tell, it's not running right. Despite the fact that the guys that did the service said that they couldn't manage to set the exercise today, uh, it did its exercise. It started off just fine and then it started surging. And it sounds rough. It sounds like it's missing a cylinder or something. Maybe it's just spark plugs. But as you can see, there's a new meter. The meter is connected directly to the gas main. No sequence of pipes from the cellar or something.